because America's F-35 and F-22 are double-ready. We'll become competent and compete with China. This new aircraft will be more capable. It is a fuel tanker and has a special feature. Here it is, a stealth aerial refueler. There is a tanker that will not be visible on radar. During this day, America is ready for war. Will refuel and extend their range. It is also being said that this refueling tanker pilot will be less, i.e. drone. This program will be an aerial refueling tanker. Next Generation Air Refueling System program, or also called KCG program. And if the US does such aerial refueling, if it builds tankers, its existing tankers, there will be many advantages compared to, because of his stealth abilities. Survival will increase stealthily. Therefore, the enemy can be easily defeated during the war. It may not be possible to determine where the noise came from. It used to be refueling earlier. A range of aerial refueling tankers had to work at a safe distance. I had to work at home. Due to its stealth, it can be used by the enemy. You will also be able to visit the area and its unique atmosphere. Driving it, because it is a vehicle, it will be easier and there are chances of loss of human life. This program will not be so soon. It is in stages and will be completed only after 2040. There are possibilities to be made, and America is like that. Replace 1335 and KC-46 tankers. Eleron-3, an interesting little bust from Russia. Russia has launched this drone as a spy drone. Was made for the civilian sector so that gas, survey of pipelines and power lines, etc. can be done, but in 2012 Russia armed. The forces said that we are using this drone for spying, which we'll use with Eleron-10. That there is a larger drone of the same generation, but the Eleron-3. Its power does not matter, its size. Can't figure out if it's a drone or a bird, can judge it with the common eye. Hard to put on the radar, bigger than that. If the drones will not come, where will Russia come from? Use this drone in the war in Ukraine. And before that, in the Syrian civil war. Also use this drone if anything can be targeted, it is. Electronic warfare devices and Ukraine. The Ukrainian army destroyed this drone in the war. DAFA shoot down that this EDM-4's portable electronic warfare anti-drone. The drone was shot down by this device. The plane is catapulted, and if you want to land, do it by parachute. It has electric, can be landed. The motor is a navigation system and is for reconnaissance. Image intensifier and thermal imaging camera. Its top speed is 130 kilometers per hour. If we talk about its extent, its service range is up to 60 kilometers, 3,500 meters, and weighs 5 kilograms. This drone, valuable to Russian forces in battle. An asset that is vital on the battlefield. Provides information to soldiers. First, it is difficult to detect, and if it is an electronic warfare device, can be traced slice through it, which is then possible. When at the point of espionage, electronic warfare equipment will be present at this time. Even if this dicer falls, how much? It is effective for Russian forces. It won't matter, so that's it for now. Subscribe for